Hello everyone, it's Rashmi here. Welcome back to my channel. I'm extremely sorry for the late post. So without taking too much time, let's get started. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this spiral opening greeting card. First, I'm going to die cut down these circular dies by keeping them inside each other, which will give us a thin circular border. Now, for the base of the card, I'm going to use this outer circular larger dies. I'll be required 2 pieces of that. Now for the front wavy strips arrangement, I'm taking out some strips, each of size ½ inch, and then arranging them to make a wavy look. I'm following the easiest way. First, I'm arranging half of the strips vertically by keeping little space in between. Now, while arranging remaining strips horizontally, I am making an arrangement in such a way that my vertical strip goes below and then above on the vertical arrangement alternately. You can make in different way also. First, arrange some of the strips vertically, then some of the strips horizontally, and again vertically and horizontally. Likewise, you can make the arrangement. After completing my wavy structure, I am taking out my circular border die cut piece, checking whether it's cover my circular die cut piece. It seems it's of perfect size. Now I am attaching these two pieces together. For the attachment, I have used here double-sided sticky tape. After attachment, I am going to trim out extra part. All the materials I have used here are listed in the description below, so have a look on that. Now for the base of a card, I am taking these two circular die cut pieces and making small hole on the leftmost part. I am thinking to tie them up instead of attaching them directly. That will help to open the card easily. To tie them together, I have used here thread. I am just going to insert that thread inside those holes. After my base card is done, I am moving towards inside spiral part. I have taken here a small circular piece. First, I am going to draw here a spiral circular line inside this piece with the help of pencil. You can directly take the spiral cutout, but I'll prefer to draw first and then take the cutout, so that if you are not happy with your spiral line, you can make changes in that. Once the lining is done, I'm going to take the cutout. Now I'm attaching this spiral piece inside a card. Attaching is little bit tricky, but first I'm applying glue at the center part of the spiral piece and attaching that on the one side of a card. After that, I'm applying a glue at the end part of the spiral piece, and then I'm closing my card. That will attach ending part of the spiral piece automatically to the other side of the card. Our spiral opening is ready now. Let's move towards front part of the card. First, I am attaching wave strips arrangement on the top of a card. Then you can see here I got some flower die cut piece also. I am attaching them as well. Plus you can see here I got butterflies also. I am attaching them on the spiral opening so that when we open a card, we'll see a flying butterflies. Link for all the dies are listed in the description below, so you can go and check out. My card is almost done now. For the final touch of our front part, I'm attaching some pearls on top of this flower as well as some butterflies also. So this is the final look of my card. I hope you like this video guys. Thank you for watching.